Hi, my name is Melissa and today I am here to discuss three important points that concern and it is good to discuss technology and the environment in the world. In recent years, technology has grown a lot worldwide because today these technological creations make life much easier in various aspects. But if we think about these technological advances, can bring or cause possible damage to the environment. For example, a part of the pollution that is generated is in the accusations of raw materials for the treatment of these devices, such as energy sources and industrial waste generated in this process. Mining operations generate many negative changes in ecosystems and all and others damages generated by the production of the new technological times will be seen as life goes by. I consider that if there is not optimal control over these creations, we will continue to more damage from climate change on the environment since the resources used to manufacture these elements are natural resources that we see today. It affects everyday various ecosystems of the environment. On the other hand, to fight climate change, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions, but we need to remove excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere using technology, which can also be a good option when using this technology can advance. You can also see a great economic growth. What I think can be that in the first place is to try to mitigate the environment contaminations that are seen today, starting at home by recycling and separating with companies that use carbon-based energy to manufacture these technological elements. Could develop new forms of energy that are friendly to the environment, such as solar and wind energy. On the other hand, system must be developed so that they are facilitated to be friendly to the environment, having a more optimal and timely control of the aspects can facilitate that the impact. It's not much serious on this way we also help control the negative effects of all that we cause. I consider that the 96 chart of control the aspects of the environment should have a strict control on the negative effects.